So guys, I'm out in Horsham. Oh, this is not the usual video I would make. The reason I'm making this video is because I took a photo of this Jag a couple of days ago. Well, not days ago, about maybe a month ago, a week ago. And it kind of inspired me to do a video on it just because it's... This Jag, if you really restored it, you could probably get it to like 30, 40, maybe 60 grand. I don't really know how much these go for. But I'm going to do a really quick short video on it. And don't worry, supercar videos will come very soon again. This is just a quick video. I'm just going to do this Jag. So this is the Jag. And it's like, it's really been beaten up. But I'll do some details and shots in a minute. But it's just odd. It's a V12 Jag. And it's just been beaten here. And there's Mercedes and another Jag here, but I mean, really the style of the show is this. So yeah, I can't really say too much about it because but I took a photo. I was standing probably about here. And I took a picture of it like, it was like, the photo was like that. And yeah, it's just, this whole car has been literally, if I go really close, it's been like completely beaten up, flattened. There's like, very, my camera freezing, yeah, very random. It's got all that like greeny, moisty shit on it. If I go to here, I don't know if you can see from here, but if I like try and all that stuff, and then wait, so I'll quickly show you here's the Mercedes. It's kind of being beaten up. Then you got this Jag, which is also really rare. But yeah, no, I was just passing by and I thought, I had my camera on me because I was looking for cars but there wasn't any. I had my camera on me. I thought I may do a quick video on this just because it's just a completely beautiful, exquisite Jag. Just sitting there. Also, whilst I'm here, there's also some other funny cars. Where is it? Wait, there's one other thing I want to show you before I get to this. The Jag thing's been taken off. So yeah, there's two other funny cars here. One's not really anything crazy, but I just thought I'd show you what's on here. So we have this cool Toyota Celica GT. With some Valentino Rossi Yamaha 46 sticker on the back. And then you got this really cool old Suzuki Swift. Thought I'd show you that.